Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with Jace.
Yeah, we're going to be reacting to the ugly location challenge we did today. Hopefully they turned out great. So we'll see.
I've been running around all day, picking these flowers for you. I swear you don't appreciate all the things I'm doing for you.
Okay, the first picture is from the gas station. You ready?
Yeah, let's see it. Yeah, no, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like my face.
Okay, well you're gonna choose between the two.
Alright, yeah.
So did two from each.
I does look alright though, although I look like I have a worm as my eyebrow. Like, cause I was squinting cause like the sun.
Okay, here's second.
Okay, that's really good though, I like that. That would look good. Yeah, that looks good. I thought it was water for a minute. I was like, that would look good like on a digging in black and white.
So which one won? The gas pump or cigar?
Cigar, although I told you I did not like that angle. Although it does look good, I like the cigar better. I don't like that angle on me. But the cigar looks really good.
Okay, now should you rate it?
Should I rate it? Yeah, I'll rate it.
What's this one?
4. The editing and stuff, the picture itself, like, I don't like the angle. This one, that's a hard one. I'll give it an 8. Because I don't like the Photoshop, the editing is like a 10, but the just kind of, my personal opinion on it, it looks like my throat is jumping out. So it's, first one is a dud. But the second one's great, actually. And then black and white makes it even better.
Okay.
I've been waiting all week, take me anywhere.
Next picture is at the laundromat.
Oh, okay. We have some weird stairs there.
Okay, here's the first one.
Okay, that looks really good. Although, I told you about my ankles. That does look really good though. I like that. I feel like it's a little too high maybe. I'm ready.
Model.
It looks really good though.
Okay, and then here's the second.
Okay, I love that one. It would be cool if that was in, that smoke coming out of my mouth, if we could have smoked in the laundromat. Oh, we have that picture of me smoking like that. Where was that from?
I guess we can Photoshop it in.
You could. It looks really good though, actually.
Okay.
My hair looks better than I thought.
Which one's your favorite?
Out of those two? This one. I don't know, I feel like the second picture is always good now because I'm like, that warms me up, but that really entices me.
Okay, rate both of them.
Rate them both?
I give it a 8 and an 8.
I give it an 8 and a 7.
So that's a thumbs up.
It's a thumbs up on both, yes. So, those two were good. Laundromat was a success.
I know, those were my favorite.
Those are your
Okay.
favorites? Oh god, I'm worried to see what the other ones look like then.
Strap, pop, hottest black top. In that black top, eyes flutter as your back lock. Grip tight on your hips like a padlock. Is the padlock? I don't know. I had strings of bad luck.
And the
I
last
bet she'll
one,
give us an 8 and I'm scared.
the last one's at Sonic. We have to give our girl a shout out.
I thought it looked way worse than that.
She's our favorite car hop. She gave us free Cokes.
Go give her a tip. Money, not anything else.
Okay, here's picture number 1.
I like it. Is that number 1? I didn't see that one yet though.
Here's number 2.
Oh, so you did edit the cherry one. I don't know, I feel like there's too much lint on my shirt. I'm picky, I told you.
I rated it a 5 and a 5.
Yeah, I don't like those two.
I don't either.
Those are both. Get it down, look at it. Look down. I like it. I feel like the coloring's off though. I feel like I should have like a bright red shirt on. I feel like the cherry.
Yeah.
Our color scheme was wrong because that's too colorful there. So that concludes today's video. Please like and subscribe and comment your favorite picture. And yeah, mine was from the laundromat when I was looking up. I like that one the most.
Mine was the other one from the laundromat.
You like the other one most? I don't know. I feel like the one from the truck stop was pretty good.
Yeah.
The smoking one. That turned out better than I thought it would.
There will be more on our Instagram, so.
And go follow us at the Jace Beard.
CD Shafer.
Awesome. So just go follow.
Thank you so much for watching.
Deuces.
How do you say deuces?
Deuces is kind of like, thank you so much for watching.